may take a closer look under the surface. When you put your plant into soil, you are not just planting into dust, you are placing it into its living environment. You wouldn't live well in a home with no oxygen, no water balance, no food. A plant can't thrive without the right soil either. So, number 1, soil let root breathe. Most people don't realize roots need air, just like our lung. Take in oxygen. Plant roots also need air pockets to function. Without oxygen, roots suffocate, and you won't see that above the soil until it's too late. So, what makes soil breathable? We can take a look at the ingredient like perlite is light white piece that keeps soil loose, and pine bark or orchid bark create natural gas for airflow. Cocoa coir a sustainable base that holds structure well. When you squeeze good soil in your hand, it holds together lightly but clumper with a shake. If your soil feels like a wet brick or dry powder, it's time to switch. And number 2, soil holds and release moisture. The next thing soil does is manage water. It's not about keeping the plant wet. It's about holding the right amount of moisture and releasing it slowly to the root. And the poor soil can't hold too much water. It's called root rot. Or drain too quickly, it's called dehydration. Let me show you an example. Tropical plants like peace lilies or prayer plants, it's want consistent, moist but not soggy soil. So the best soil for them is mixed cocoa coir or with compost with perlite. But succulents and cactus, they hate moisture. They prefer to dry out fast. So the good is mixed sand, pumice, and small gravel. And always remember, good soil is like sponge that breathes, not the tower that gets soaked. Now, here is the magic most people overlook. Soil feeds the plant even before you add any fertilizer. Inside healthy soils, you will find microorganisms, it have a good bacteria and fungi. Organic matter like compost, worm casting, these help break down minerals into forms so your plant can absorb, protect roots from harmful fungi, building a healthy soil web, like a living network under the surface. Like a healthy gut helps you digest food better. Healthy soils help your plant absorb nutrients better, and this is why we say, don't just feed the plant, feed the soil. Number 4, soil support the root system. Soil gives your plant structure. Roots need something to grow into and through. Not too loose, not too tight. Think of roots like anchor ropes. If the soil shifts too much, the plant can't stand upright or grow confident. A balanced soil may give the roots just enough support while still letting them explore. That's how you get stronger roots. And stronger roots mean stronger plant. So, now you know soil is much more than dust. It's air, water, food, and support all in one. If your plant is struggling, before you reach out a new fertilizer or mixing water, take a look what's happening underground. So, now you know soil is not just dust. It's the foundation where your plants breathe, drinks, feeds, and grows. Whether your plant is struggling or simply not thriving, the answer might be just below the surface, in the soil. And if you are thinking, maybe it's time to repot and give my plants a fresh start, then you are going to love tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video, I will walk you through exactly how to repot the plant step by step, without mess, stress, or second guessing. So No garden bench needed, just you, your plant, and a little guidance. See you tomorrow.